Hey campers, right here I have the 2021 Sunset Park Sunray 139. This is right before they put the toy hauler door on them. Check out this video. All right, let's walk around this 139. I'll show you what it's all about. So starting right up front, these guys did add on a front tongue box. So it's just a standard little front tongue box on top of the grate here. Also has the battery over here with the disconnect switch, which will turn right on so we can get some power inside. That's turning on power to the trailer on all of our 12-volt system. So also up front we have a 20-pound propane tank, manual tongue jack, 2-inch ball. This does come with the electric brake package on it as well. 4 stabilizer jacks, 1 at each corner. Right here is our sink drain. Furnace exhaust. Dump station down below for the back black tank. Right here's our 30 amp shore power cord. Air conditioner. We do have a roof rack up top. The roof rack will hold 500 pounds. Over here is our coaxial cable if we want to watch some TV or get the Wi-Fi. Over here is our Farpoint lights. Then we're getting down into our baby moons. On the back side, you'll see he did a little upgraded grate down here. And we do have our screen door. Protected from the bugs getting in. This is a lightly used unit. The gentleman who owned it before, the couple that owned it before, had numerous campers. They actually currently drive around a Road Trek Class B camper van all the time. And they just upgraded from this into another Sunset Park Sunlight 16BH. So just something a little bit bigger. This only weighs 1,800 pounds. It's 8.5 foot, 8 foot 8 inches tall and 8 foot wide. This is our knotty pine, 2-burner stove, sink, cabinets above. We have a light up here, light down below. Again, we do have power out here. Oh, there we go. Over here, our 12-volt fridge. Down below, we have our outside shower and outside speakers. Outside propane right here at the corner. Again, with the upgraded grate here. Now we'll go inside and check out the interior. So when we first walk in, we'll look right up here at the front. Right at the front we have our sink, a seat to sit down at, little storage underneath the sink, just to access and get in there if needed. Microwave over here. Little storage area underneath. Fire extinguisher. Stereo that does connect to the TV. USBs up here in your charging station so you can have your charging area or the food prep spot or even a desk area if you want to use this as far as a desk. So then right over here, when you first walk into the left-hand side of the door, you have the toilet. And they actually altered it a little bit because it did used to have a wardrobe up top. But he said he never used a wardrobe, so he put in a couple shelves and a couple coat hangers. He also upgraded this door and made it a whole heck of a lot sturdier. All right. Not that it was bad before. It was just, you know, these guys just wanted a nice sturdy door, so they added more support into it. They also put the TV in. This is a beautiful Philips TV over here. Lights up top here, speakers. And over here you'll see your 5,000 BTU side mount AC. Then they added in this awesome wire shelf all along the top here. And it does go right underneath the bed. This is a Murph style bed here that just flips right down. But I do want to make sure that I have these down before I flip it. There we go. Now we've got our queen size bed in here. And it is a comfortable bed too. Best part is you can flip it up when you want to use it for storage or travel back and forth, whatever you're doing. And you do have the back access, whether you want to put a screen over it, use it for the door all the time. But really, look how beautiful this is with the door open. Throw a screen over it and enjoy yourself from the back view. So, this is the 2021 Sunset Park Sunray 139. This is right before they put the door, the toy hauler door on the back. So it's a little bit of a rarity, and it is the classic edition. So 1,800 pounds, extremely cool unit, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and keep on coming back. Thanks for watching.